Google just quietly dropped a wave of updates, and I don't think most people have even noticed yet. New models, a completely rebuilt tool, and a video generator that edits itself just by you talking to it. This isn't one small patch. This is Google shipping 5 things at once that change how you're going to use AI starting today. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what changed and exactly how to use every single one of it. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, let's get into it. First up, Google just released 2 brand new models, Gemini 3.6 Flash and Gemini 3.5 Flashlight. If you go into Google AI Studio right now and check the Models tab, you'll see them sitting there. Nobody was talking about these yesterday. Here's what makes 3.6 Flash worth paying attention to. Google built this one to balance speed and intelligence. It's made for agentic tasks, which just means tasks where the AI actually does the work step by step without you sitting there guiding every single move. It also handles multimodal work, so it can watch a video, read a document, look at an image, all in the same conversation. And Flashlight, that's the fast one. That's built for high volume work. So if you're the kind of person running hundreds of tasks a day through AI, that's the model built for you. Now, here's the part that actually surprised me. I compared 3.6 Flash against the old 3.5 Flash, and the new one isn't just smarter, it uses fewer resources to run, so it's faster and cheaper at the same time. But the real detail is the knowledge cutoff. The old Flash model only knew things up to January 2025. This new one knows things up to March 2026. That's over a year of extra knowledge baked in. So you're getting a model that's smarter, faster, and more current all in one release. Second thing, and this one caught me off guard, Notebook LM has a new name. If you go to notebooklm.google.com right now, it's now called Gemini Notebook. And look, a name change on its own wouldn't be worth a video, but they change a lot more than the name. First, you've now got collections. So if you've got 10 notebooks that all belong to the same project, you can finally group them together instead of having them scattered everywhere. You can even throw an emoji on each one, which sounds small, but when you're digging through a bunch of notebooks trying to find the right one, that actually saves you real time. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now here's the update that actually matters. Gemini Notebook can write and run code by itself. That means it can do real data analysis grounded in your own sources, not guessed, not made up, based on the actual files you upload. Right now, this is live for Google AI Ultra users and Workspace users, and it's rolling out to Pro users on the web over the next few weeks. And the third change, it finally syncs everywhere. Your notebooks now follow you. Build one in the Gemini app, open it in Gemini Notebook, it's synced, and soon they're bringing notebooks directly into AI mode and search. Think about what that actually means. You could take every training document, every cool transcript, every piece of content your business has ever created, and drop it into one notebook. Then ask it something like, find the topics we explain the best, and the topics people still get confused on, and give me a list of new content we should create. And it'll answer based on your real material, not some generic internet answer. That's the difference between a chatbot and an actual research assistant that knows your business. Third thing, and this one is honestly kind of wild, Google dropped a brand new video model called Gemini Omni Flash Preview, and this isn't just another video generator. This is the most powerful video generation and conversational editing model Google has put out. Conversational editing, sit with that for a second. That means you make a video and then you just tell it what to change in plain English like you're talking to an editor. No timeline, no dragging clips around. When you open it up, you can set system instructions, pick your aspect ratio, whether that's 16:9 or vertical, set the video length, the resolution, the frame rate, even how much the model thinks through the shot before generating it. But here's the part that matters for anyone running a business. You could take a photo of your product, upload it, and say, turn this into a 15-second ad that shows the main benefits clearly and ends with a strong reason to click. And it builds it. And here's the thing that tells you how fast this is moving. While all of this was still being put together, 3.6 Flash and 3.6 Thinking started showing up across accounts everywhere. Google fully rolled it out in real time. So you're finding out about this within days of it going live, and it's already available to use right now. So let's run through what actually changed. New Gemini 3.6 Flash, smarter, faster, lighter, and it knows things all the way up to March 2026. New Gemini 3.5 flashlight for high volume work. Notebook LM is now Gemini Notebook, and it runs code, does real data analysis, syncs everywhere, and lets you organize everything into collections. And Gemini Omni Flash Preview generates videos and lets you edit them just by talking to it. Any one of those on its own would be a big deal. Google shipped all 4 in the same stretch of time. And here's what I want you to actually take from this. Knowing about an update means nothing if you never touch it. There are people who watched a video about a Gemini update 6 months ago, thought it was cool, and never opened the tool. They're in the exact same spot today as they were then. And then there's people who took one update, built one simple workflow around it, and that one workflow is still saving them hours every single week. Same information, completely different result. So don't just watch this and move on. Go open one of these tools today and actually use it. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.